Howdy, y'all. Welcome to my Rain ASMR. Since Woody and family are out on vacation, I'm just going to listen to the sounds of the nature. Can y'all hear it? Let's have a notice. So relaxing, ain't it? Let's just listen one more time. Man, it's so relaxing. I might go play on piano, so hopefully the Woodies come back today.